Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick video on how I put on false lashes. I'm gonna try and keep this short and sweet. So I'm just gonna go straight into it. So I'll be using these lashes by Perfect Girl London. They are from the Brit Rocks range and they are the Peony lash. I got these from Savers. They look a lot like the Ardell Wispies actually, and the only difference is these are so much cheaper. I paid I think $1.99 for these, so they're super cheap. So you are going to need a pair of tweezers, a pair of scissors in case you need to trim your lashes, and I'll explain that in a second. And you'd also need some lash glue. Most lashes come with a little tube of lash glue, but I don't like to use that because I don't know how some of these glues behave, if they're actually decent or the same. Oh, actually, I might just try the one from the pack. Should I or should I not? Well, let me just try the one from the packs. Why not? So I'm going to show you two separate methods. One is using the tweezers to place the lash on your eyes, and the other one is using your hands. I personally prefer using my hands, but then you might be doing this for someone else and you don't want to have your fingers so close to someone's eyes for hygiene reasons. First things first, you want to make sure that the width of the strip lash is ideal for your eyes. To do this, you just take the strip lash out of the pack and you hold it against your lash line, and you just kind of gauge to see how far it goes on the outside and how far in it goes, and see if you like the length of that. This one is actually spot on, but if it was too long I would have to trim it, and the best side to trim is the longest side where the lashes are longer. So the outside, the outside, that's the best place to trim, and you just snip off a little bit. The reason why you want to do that if it's too long is because it's going to poke, it's going to really irritate your inner corner and your outer corner, especially when you blink. And this is a bigger deal for mink lashes and really full thick lashes. Since these ones are okay, I'm going to get started and apply my lash glue. You want to just spread a thin layer of this stuff onto your strip lash. I'm doing these one at a time because I don't want the glue to dry completely before I apply the eyelash. So I'm just putting a little bit on the strip, and I'm gonna give it a good 30 to 45 seconds to set. I used this much glue. The best way to check if the glue has set for me is to touch it a little bit. If it transfers onto your finger, then it hasn't set yet. It has to be tacky, so if you touch it, it kind of springs back onto the strip lash. Does that make sense? I think that makes sense. So using my tweezers, I'm going to grip the strip lash right in the middle and also really close to the glue, like this. And I'm going to place the middle of this strip lash onto the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to press this against the middle, as I said, with my eye a little bit closed. I'm just going to press and hold. And then I'm going to come in to the inner corner and do the same thing. So press and hold. And then I'm going to go to the outside and press and hold. This glue is actually so good. Oh wow, I can't believe I've been ignoring this glue. And then next, you can probably see there's a bit of a gap between my strip lashes and my natural lashes. I'm gonna use the tweezers to just press them together, just like this. Being very careful not to jab your eye with the tweezers. Just want to bring them together. And I'm trying to press down on the band as well, because that'll get it right close to my lash line, and also try not to pinch the skin on your eyelid, because that can be quite painful. Okay, I haven't used this little glue before, so I'm hoping it dries clear. Let's hope for the best, shall we? And as you can see, that is sitting right on my lash line, and it's really stuck on, so I really am happy with that. Okay, that's the first lash done. I'm gonna do the other one just exact same way. I'm just applying the glue, just using a really thin layer. Same amount of glue on this one. I'm going to be using my hands now. I'm gripping the lash right on the middle like this, and I'm going to press the middle of that strip right onto the middle of my eyelid. And just press and hold for a few seconds, and then I'm going to come in to the inner corner and do the same, press and hold, and then I'm going to go to the outside. Press and hold there as well. So that's what it looks like just when I've got it on. And then I want to do the same thing that I did with the tweezers. I just want to press the real lashes, my natural lashes, and the strip lash together, just to bring them together. So all along. Last but not least, I'm going to use a little bit of mascara, and this will just marry the lashes up together nicely. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope that you can apply, if you're not sure how to apply your lashes, you can apply some of what I've said to kind of make things a little bit easier. And like anything else, it's going to take practice. You might not get it right the first time, or the second, or even the third. God knows how long it took me to learn how to do this properly, but you will get it. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful, and until next time, bye.